Wow! Ranking Deli by Cheles all-day breakfast menu from masarap to I'm gonna die sa sarap. Longganisa patty on garlic rice and Deli signature tapa. Parehong masarap to. Tayo mga laki sa kanin can never say no to these Deli-style versions ng ating paboritong silog almusal. Crispy bacon on pastrami fried rice. Super sarap. Very interesting and fried rice infused with the meaty savory flavor of pastrami. As if that's not enough, samahan mo pa ng super crispy strips of bacon that's well seasoned with my ideal fat to meat ratio. Deli corned beef on rice. Nakatikim ka na ba ng corned beef na di galing sa lata? My goodness, ito yun. This is corned beef in its truest form. Just pure salt-cured beef goodness na hindi mamantika pero sobrang malasa. Pastrami egg and cheese bagel. It's Deli by Chele, so pag may pastrami, alam mong masarap. It's a hearty breakfast that you can hold in one hand. Or two, pag gigil na gigil ka. At bago namin i-reveal ang aming most favorite breakfast item from Deli by Chele, special mention muna dito sa sourdough bread pudding and ube bibingka cheesecake. Parehong panalong dessert na masarap i-partner sa hot tea. And finally, ang aming top pick, Spanish Chorizo Deli Sandwich. Sa cheese stretch test pa lang, yun talaga, pasado kagad. Not a big fan of chorizo in general pero na-win over ako ng kanilang version ng Spanish Chorizo. Pag sinabing masarap na sandwich, ito na yung magiging basehan ko from now on. For more of these food adventures, like and follow mo na kami.